Hey everyone, Josh Martinez here, and welcome to this week's idea. So this week's idea is channels, and we're going to utilize light crude oil on a daily time frame to discuss them. Now, I like to draw channels by first applying the trend line, but I do my trend lines a little bit different. I like to draw my trend lines going backwards because I'm a big believer that the market U-turns at, on, and or and around the same price point. So I'll look at the previous U-turn and draw it backwards. What I'm trying to do is find the area within the marketplace where the market likes the U-turn the most. And so light crude oil is doing a really, really great job that for whatever reason, the market likes to form U-turns at, on, and or around this blue level. Now, I call it the market likes to be symmetrical or beautiful, but there's a left side of the face, a right side of the face. And so what that means is usually the angle that pushes the market down is also the angle that pushes the market up. So if you just copy that angle and you bring it on down, oftentimes, but not always, but oftentimes the market will then give you the opposite side. So now what we have is a wonderful structure within the marketplace. Winner if the market comes near the top blue level, normally sells off to the bottom blue level. Winner if the market touches the bottom blue level, the market rallies to top blue level. Now, is this guaranteed to fall all the way back down? No, nothing's guaranteed. This is trading, right? There's risk involved. However, if the market does stay below this top blue level, the evidence indicates that the market is anticipated to make lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and lower highs. So the next stop is to look for the market to form a high price lower than this high price, and then looking to short it on the way down. Now, you could do this with utilizing your favorite entry strategy off the daily time frame, placing your stop above this top blue level and then limiting out the bottom blue level. Or you could do what I like to do, which is go to a smaller time frame, a 1 hour time frame, 5-minute time frame, etc. And wonder if the market starts to push bearish, we should create a bearish trend off the smaller time frame. You apply your favorite entry strategy with less risk than what the daily has to offer, but you go after that big giant target. All right, everyone, this concludes this week's idea. So this week's idea, once again, was channels, drawing your trend lines backwards, copying the angle, and then trying to find the opposite side. There is risk involved in trading. You should never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Always keep risk management in mind. Understand that we are not CTAs, which stands for Commodity Trading Advisors. And what that means, what we're going to share with you is research. And ultimately, what you do with this information is completely up to you. Past performance is not indicative of future returns. What that means is no guarantees of a positive outcome. If I place my next trade, I can lose my next trade. If you place your next trade, you can lose your next trade. And there is risk involved in every single trade. Look at us like a newspaper. We'll share with you our research, walk you through our trade ideas. But what you do with that information is completely up to you. Have a wonderful day, everybody. See you next time.